In this particular Excel tutorial, I will be showing you based on the data which is being shown in front of you guys that what is the percentage based on the total of the based on the total. So we have some company names purchaser who have purchased some, I mean, who have consumed or utilized some units of electric, and based on those units and multiplying it with the rate, some total has been generated. Now what is the percentage of it based on the total? That is what we are going to find out, and then we are going to tally out. I mean, tally out means we are going to compare whether the thing which I am showing you is proper or not. So for this particular dataset of scenario, we will be using pivot table option. So I will be going to here in this insert tab, and then I will be clicking on this pivot table option, and there is an option for new worksheet. So after selecting the range of the data, we are selecting the data, and we will be populating the Excel, I mean pivot table, to a new worksheet, and then we will be pressing OK. Now what I need to view is that so what I need to view is that based on the vendor. So vendor is in the rows columns, and then the total is in the value section. So this particular set of data is showing CSC versus WBSCDL, and its grand total is 81416. So what is the percentage of the share of CSC and WBSCDCL? To find out this particular problem set scenario, we will be again moving this total to this value section in the lower right corner. After that, we will be right clicking on the second value section. After right clicking on it, we will be getting an option. Okay, so right click on it, and then we will be going to the field settings option, and based on the sum we will be finding out something. So what is the thing which we are going to find out? So values as here it is showing no calculation. We will be select grand total, percentage of grand total, and we will be pressing OK from our keyboard. So CSC has a revenue of 30%, while WBHDCL is having a revenue generation of 69.86. Now to prove that this pivot table data which I have shown it to you guys, it is working properly or not, we need to make a new sheet, and we will be creating 50-50. I mean the percentage of share will be maybe 25-75. So what we will be doing is that we will be writing product, and based on the product we will be having some values, and the product is something like pen, and the product is maybe eraser. So the values is here is 25, and here it is 75. So what we will be doing is that we will be converting this again to pivot table to tally out the earlier instances which I had shown whether it is working properly or not. So we will be selecting this pivot table option, and I will be clicking new worksheet and then press OK. So what I need to do is that I need to drag and drop this product in the rows section and these values in the value section. So that's the sum of the values, it's 100%. Again we will be making a copy of these values. So we'll be clicking after left click on this value and drag and drop it to the values section, and then right clicking on it on the second option. So just click on it, and there will be having an option for value field setting. Now again based on the sum we will be finding some percentage. So we'll be selecting percentage of grand total and then press OK. So see, it's showing 75%, 25%. So that's all for this video tutorial. I think I'm being able to demonstrate what I am trying to achieve, that is how to view the total percentage of share a certain company or a certain product is holding based on the total. So that's all for this video tutorial. Thank you guys, and happy coding.